What's the meaning of betray? Betray. Betray.
Betray. Betray. Betray means to deceive or break the trust of someone who relies on you. It is an act of disloyalty that can cause great harm to the relationship or situation. The act of betrayal can take many forms, such as lying, cheating, stealing, or revealing secrets. It is often seen as one of the most hurtful and damaging things a person can do to another. Betrayal can lead to feelings of anger, disappointment, sadness, and hurt, and it can be difficult to repair the damage caused. In some cases, betrayal can lead to the end of a relationship or the loss of a friendship.